The Waikato Economy Trends dashboards encompass 9 distinct themes that provide insight into the regional economy. These dashboards function as a dynamic lens, allowing you to explore the ever-evolving economic trends within the region. Each aspect of the economy is meticulously dissected via a collection of analytical visuals, empowering you to not only understand but actively engage in comparisons of regional performance across time, alongside neighboring regions and territorial authorities within the area. These dashboards prove exceptionally beneficial for economists, policymakers, policy developers, analysts, and researchers. Engaging with the trends of Waikato economy dashboards reveals a wealth of interactive data. Let's explore the macroeconomic indicator theme interactively. Within the macroeconomic indicators theme, there are 4 distinct sub-themes. Now, let's take a dive into the employment sub-theme. The Employment Trends 2000 to 2022 dashboard is not just descriptive but also prescriptive, offering a treasure trove of interactive insights. It empowers you to grasp the fluctuations in employment over the years. By utilizing the filters option, you can actively switch the area and the year, and the dashboard will promptly adapt to reflect the changes you make. When you choose Hamilton City as the area, the dashboard statistics will promptly adjust to match this particular location. At the top right corner of the dashboard, you'll find Information tabs. This icon offers specific information related to the dashboard. The Info icon is there to offer additional details about the source of the data. The Download Image option empowers you to save a visually appealing snapshot of the current graph, with filters. With a single click on the Revert button, all the filters applied are instantly cleared, and the dashboard is magically restored to its original view. These navigation function keys facilitate seamless exploration between dashboards, with the right arrow guiding you to the next one and the left arrow leading you to the previous dashboard. In addition, a smooth transition to the corresponding dashboard can be achieved with a simple click on the title tabs. The yellow bar chart enables us to visualize the disparity between the average number of employments of specific decades, such as 2000 to 2009, 2010 to 2019, and 2020 to 2022 onwards. By hovering over or clicking on each bar, we can obtain detailed information about the number of employments for that year and sector. The red bar chart facilitates the analysis of annual average employment difference across different sectors from 2000 to 2022. By exploring the interactive black bar chart, it showcases the actual employment trend, alongside the dynamic yellow line representing the decade average, DA, and the dotted red line indicating the all-year average, A. Now let's explore employment, moving AVGS, trends by sector 2000 to 2022 dashboard. Explore this interactive dashboard to track the annual employment growth, observe the moving average number of employment, and compare employment growth to a reference year. Engage with this interactive graph showcasing the year-by-year growth of employment in different sectors from 2000 to 2022. Personalize your analysis of the moving average by selecting the desired number of years using the interactive moving average filter. You can evaluate the employment growth by comparing it to a reference year for analysis and assessment. For example, by choosing the reference year 2009, we can delve into the analysis of employment growth. In the employment growth percent graph, the gray bars represent the Waikato region, and the green line represents the Bay of Plenty region. The tooltip provides supplementary details regarding the employment numbers. By comparing the two regions to the reference year 2009, we observe that in the year 2022, the Waikato region experienced a 29% increase. The Bay of Plenty region experienced a larger percentage increase of 32% compared to the Waikato region. We can customize the displayed areas by applying filters and adapt them according to our preferences. Now, let's proceed to the next dashboard and discover its additional features. Engage with this interactive dashboard that visualizes the ranking of regions and TAs based on annual values of economic criteria such as GDP, employment, or business unit numbers. This is a bump chart. It provides an effective means to assess the ranking of regions and TAs based on a number of employments, allowing for a comprehensive understanding of their relative positions and trends. By exploring this interactive visualization, we can observe that Auckland region holds the highest number of employments and ranks first. The bump chart helps in contextualizing the data to the viewer. Just hover the mouse to select any point to get more information in the tooltip. By exploring the employment trends by sector dashboard, we can visually track the progress of the Waipa district and observe the percentage change as well. Based on the highest year-over-year trend in change, Wellington region has the top rank in the chart, with the moving average calculated over a 2-year period. You can also switch to a 1-year moving average for visualization, and when you hover over it, you'll see the employment numbers. The ranking of the Waikato region has shown fluctuations over the years based on percentage change. The Waikato region was on the 3rd rank in 2001, then dropped to 10th in 2010, climbed back to 2nd in 2013, dipped to 6th in 2015, and has consistently held the 2nd position from 2020 to 2022. Additionally, you can interactively view the number of employments at any specific point by clicking on it. A similar visualization is also accessible at the Territorial Authority (TA) level. When viewed as a 1-year moving average, Hamilton City holds the 1st rank, South Waikato secures the 2nd rank, and Hauraki District is in the 3rd position. Hovering over Hamilton City reveals a 1-year growth of 5.6%. When you click on South Waikato, you can explore their intriguing journey, rising from the 9th rank to the 2nd rank, indicating a 3.6% growth within a year. This narrative represents year-on-year changes. This ranking chart is based on the percentage change or growth rate. This serves as just one example, and it opens the door to explore a multitude of insights and details. If you find yourself needing support or have any questions related to the trends of Waikato economy dashboards, or our other digital dashboards, don't hesitate to contact us at info@datandashboards.co.nz.